Daily Practices, Civil Unrest, and the Power of Social Media, kvnui.fr. Living a sustainable lifestyle goes beyond just recycling or reducing plastic use. It involves daily habits such as conserving energy, reducing water usage, using public transport or biking, consuming less and recycling more, and supporting local producers. Recent civil unrest in Nanterre, France, has shown that our efforts towards sustainability can be disrupted by socio-political events. The influence of social media on youth is a concern, with extremist accounts promoting hate and drug use. Social media can both unite us and spread destructive messages. Creating a sustainable lifestyle requires collective effort, including addressing socio-political issues, monitoring social media influence, and advocating for peace and unity. Every step taken towards sustainability and peace is a step towards a better future for all.